Here I am on a Mac, and if you go to developer.android.com and look for Android Studio, it's usually here at the top. Go ahead and select that. And here you'll want to download Android Studio for Mac. You'll accept the agreement and choose download. Now it is a large file and it may take a few minutes to download. Once that finishes, go ahead and double click to open the install file. And from here you will drag and drop onto your applications folder. And if you had an older version, you go ahead and replace it with the newer version. After that's finished copying, you can go ahead and launch the application from your applications folder. If you had a previous version, you can import those settings or go ahead and choose a clean install. Once that launches, it may prompt you for a setup wizard, which allows you to set up and choose your preferences. I'll go with standard, go with the light theme, and finish. At this point, it will download additional required files and get everything you need in order to do Android development. It may ask for some additional permissions, and then once that's complete, you'll be presented with the main launch screen. From here, if you want to open the completed project, you would choose Open an Existing Android Studio Project. After having downloaded the files, you'll want to unzip them and select the My First App folder and choose Open. And from here you have everything you need to get started with our course.